This has been my first track in like over a year since I've been striping, so quite nerve-wracking, but looking good. It's Sunday, second day of striping. We got a lot done yesterday. Today, all we have left is blue hurdles, yellow change zones, yellow hurdles, and then finish out the red exchange zones and red starts. So we got about maybe 3 hours left. We got three sets of numbers, a little touch up, and then we'll be out of here, done with striping, and then Monday, Tuesday, we'll be cleaning up. So it's going well with these 4 guys. We're finished. We're all completed. It's Tuesday the 1st, and we just completed a latex water-based track in Chugiak, Alaska, which was impossible to do with all the rain that we have. We striped this in a day and a half with these gentlemen here. Couldn't do without these guys, for sure. I handpicked this crew for a reason, so we can get this track done in a fastest manner. So thank you guys.
Bring it in, boys. Good job, Alaska.
Good job, Alaska.
Boom. Now we're loaded up, heading out.